We both took jobs teaching in Quinhagak, Alaska. It's a remote village. I'm teaching pre-K through 6 special education,
and I'm teaching 4th and 5th grade reading, math, and English.
Have either of you ever been to Alaska?
No. Where we are going is approximately 4,000 miles from here.
How are we going to get groceries? There's no grocery stores in Quinhagak, Alaska. If we forget something, that we forgot it.
You know,
there's
tough.
no going back. Yeah. But I really think that if we take advantage of what Alaska has to offer and we travel and we take up these offers from the native people to go eat with them and go on these hunts with them and go fishing with them and go to these different parties that they're going to have, that we're going to fall in love with it. Yeah. So we want to go see the Iditarod.
That comes through there.
We're going to go salmon fishing, silver salmon fishing. We're going to go to hike to a hot spring. We want to go see the Northern Lights. So this is the most authentic, true blue educational experience that we could possibly ask for. We're going to work on individual students and make them the best people that they can possibly be. I'm really looking forward to learning. I know that we're going up there to teach, but I love to learn. I'm definitely a self-motivated learner.
So while she's ready to learn, I am very much ready to grow. As a person, as a teacher, there's so much more to life that I've not gotten yet to experience. There's always room for growth, and
Absolutely.
So I'm excited and ready to grow.
Yeah, ready to spread our wings.